Alright folks, this is Campground drive-through of Loop A and Loop E. Alright. Here's Site 2 on my side. And Site 4 is a pull-through connections.
Oh, this is nice. You're not going to be able to see the big field in the middle.
I'll turn the camper when we get close to it.
Like the camera?
I'll turn the camera.
Site 6 is handicapped.
Site 6 is handicapped.
Wheelchair accessible.
Nice and level. Everything's concreted. You got rails along it. Site 7 is also concreted and rail level, but I don't see a handicap sticker on it. Oh, yeah, there is. Okay, there's one there.
And there's sidewalk that goes all the way to the restroom.
So, look at that. That's a little play area in Site A.
Watch these babies and bicycles.
Let's see. And here's another bathhouse for Site A. I mean, for Loop A. It's real nice. That was actually the first one we went to.
So the inside of the loop is just this big field with the bathhouse. And the outside loop are the campsites, right?
Yep. Okay. We'll see that Class A is at Site 10.
Wow, that's a nice big site then, isn't it?
We got a pull through Site 11.
It's so short.
Excuse me. Site 12 is very short. Site 13 is a little bit longer, but still short. Site 14. At this point, you have to start being concerned about being level.
Look what I spotted.
Look at
Prettiest camper in the whole campground.
Look at that red retro back on. It must be on Loop B. Now, you mentioned this earlier today. Site 15. 15 is nice, level. It's got plenty of room.
Does it have sewer hookups? I can't remember.
Yes, it does. It has a sewer connection.
Okay.
Site 17 is kind of short and it's not level.
Site 16 is a pull through on this side.
Site 18 it's relatively level. Site 20, big old wheel. Nice choice of trucks here, buddy.
2500?
Yep.
Diesel? So
at this point, on Loop A, there are no more sewer connections. So everything else you're looking at is just water.
Look at this view. Oh, I guess you can't see the view. Turn it a little bit. Look at this view of this beautiful green field out there. So any one of these sites, and there's a huge playground. You can't see it right now, but we're coming up on it. So for families, I mean, this is Site 22 you're looking through right now.
Yep.
With the bathhouse down there. But isn't that cool?
Yeah, it is real cool.
The big open field for kids to run around.
All right, so we're moving along.
Moving on.
Site 23. That's a nice little site. It looks pretty level. Site 25. Most of these sites are kind of short. Big rigs, I hate to tell you, but you probably would do better to find a bigger spot. Oh, Angel and I noticed Site 20. This little grouping right here we mentioned earlier. Site
27 is this one on this side. I think it was 26, 27, and 28.
26, 27, and 28. Yeah, to be a nice little gathering.
See where that blue and white, that one right there? That just came in since we did our walkthrough.
That's right.
But what site was that? Because remember, I told you that would be perfect for anybody with children. Because the awning, no, it won't be facing
Site 26. That's Site 26 over there.
Anyway, I'm just always thinking about kids and grandkids.
Yeah, always. I mean, yeah, that's why people come.
Keeping an eye on them and wouldn't they love riding bikes down this?
Yeah.
Let me turn it so they can see.
There you go. I added too much.
Wouldn't this be fun? A little bit of a hill here going up and down this little drive.
Yep. This is my first time seeing any of these sites we're looking at right now.
Yeah, we haven't come on this side, but we did see in the distance the cutest little red and white retro camper.
And it's not ours.
It's a real retro. Baby,
it's not ours.
You turned it? Okay.
Yeah.
But you'll see it coming into view right there.
Yep, there it is.
Look at
Barely
that.
see it over that blue truck.
Isn't that the cutest thing?
Yep. Let me pull over and let this guy behind me pass. Yeah, we saw them yesterday.
So cute. That's the kind of camper that ours was made to look like, right?
Yep.
Even though ours is new.
Just stopped in front of Site 36. It looks pretty level. Again, I gotta say that the ones front and back, the front to back level, there's very few that are level.
These up here on this side look pretty level, baby.
Yeah, they do.
The ones that are on the field side.
You know what I noticed about
39 looks.
these are closer together than Site B.
They are. And I think that's why B is so popular.
He is popular. That looks like a buddy site right there. Site 43. Let me turn in. There's somebody else behind.
Okay. This one actually has a path going to the playground. In the bathhouse.
Okay. I thought that was a buddy site, but it's not.
That's a path going to the playground.
Okay, let me see where I'm at on this map here.
There's a pull through up to the left and view Site 44. Yep. That one looks very level compared to all the other ones we've seen.
Yeah, it doesn't on the map. It doesn't even show that it's a pull through. It just says 44. And actually, I passed up Loop E. I don't know if I can back up to go through it or not.
Is it still A that goes around the field?
Right now, we're still in. Well, look, let me show you right here. We started right here on A, and we drove around, and that was that site that we talked about would be good for a family. We just made that dip down to the creek. We came across, and now we're right here about 43.
Okay.
So maybe that road.
I think up here, I saw a vehicle go that way. So that over there must be an entrance to get into E.
Okay,
I don't know.
let's go try it out. All right, let's go look. So the pull through is Site 44, Wildwood.
Look how level that looks there.
Yep. Oh, that Cherokee's pretty rough.
Yeah.
45 looks, it's got some level issues.
See, now is this is turning into E, right?
I think so. Site 47's a pull through. Short pull throughs.
Oof.
No, that
sun is right.
Sun.
Look at 48. How would you get back up in there?
48.
Up the hill.
48's a long site, but you would have leveling issues, and it'd be really hard to pack a big rig into that one.
Look at that puppy dog, baby. That's what Bison's going to look like in a few years.
It'll be big like that?
Look.
Sure is.
I think so.
Total. All right. Now we're going to go through Campground Loop E, Echo.
Echo.
Oh, well. Sewer dump station right there. Man, that was a steep climb. These look pretty primitive, huh? Walk-in camping.
Okay.
Okay, so you must park right there. You walk to your campsite. Let's just make that little loop.
All right, there's children over here.
I see them. I'm not going to run them down.
With a big dog.
That's way back there somewhere.
Maybe so. They got some
Oh,
backpacks.
wait, there's another bathhouse. This little road right here is definitely not made for rigs.
No. It sure is pretty back here, though. Look at all these trees.
Site 206 is short. Oh, wait, let me turn the camera. 206 is short. There's a North Trail camper in it. Other than that, it looks level. It's just kind of small. 207, again, it's kind of short, but once you get into it, it's all level. Same thing with 208. Level, short.
Just as a reminder, we do put a campground map at the beginning of every video that we do.
Yeah.
To assist you in picking out your spot. It's usually the map that we are given when we come to visit. So you can look for that. This is 218 and 222. One minute.
Yep.
Oh.
I'm gonna make the loop.
Oh, look at these spots. How pretty.
Yeah, they're all tucked in there.
Look at that.
We could probably get our camper to fit in real nice in 218.
That is a pretty spot.
That is a very pretty spot. You have water and electricity only right there. I would like to have
look at the
218.
view. It's like a little valley down there.
Yeah, I would love to have
side.
218 right there. 218 and 219.
I bet you could jump on a trail from your campsite right there.
Probably soon.
Those are really pretty wooded spots. Look how wide this one is. 219.
Looks like where your camper would sit is nice and level.
Lots of space on both sides.
That
Very
Airstream
nice.
is at 221. 22. These pads over here look pretty level compared to the rest of the place. I didn't know if these were sites or not. Yeah, they are. A lot of tent campers out here.
I am so turned around.
Yeah, I am. I am too.
I feel like
not
what's
the only
that saying,
one.
loop-de-loop? I feel like
Yeah.
we've done the loop-de-loop all day.
We're on these loops.
There's the nice big bathhouse right
Site.
there.
213, this says campground host, but there's no host there. 214 straight ahead. 215 straight ahead. All of these in this area right here, I think I wouldn't mind at all because they're kind of wooded in, kind of tucked in. Look like the pads are level. You just
Like
don't
a
have
pretty
sewer
view.
connection.
Maybe there's a creek or something down there.
Yeah, maybe a little close together, but nice. All right, I think that's it.
That was E?
That was E. We're gonna jump the road there and get D.
Yes. And another reminder that we do have another video
Yes, we did.
that has a full campground site, campground drive-through of Loop B.
And it's the park itself.
And the entire
Yeah,
park.
we actually talk about the state park, how nice it is.
So check our
Things to
playlist
do.
for Fall Creek Falls, Tennessee. It's in our Tennessee playlist, Fall Creek Falls. And you'll see that other campground loop. There's just too many to do one video.
Yeah.
222 sites, I believe.
All right, so
Total.
Campground D is just right across the street, so we're just gonna keep the camera rolling.
Campground C is closed right now for repairs. They're doing some kind of work up there.
Yeah.
And it's not even accessible. They won't even let you go in it. And of course, we've been seeing the big dump trucks and everything coming and going.
Yep.
Okay, so this is Campground D.
D. This is Turkey Pen Bunk. We've never seen it before,
Campground
so
D.
our reactions are first time.
Campground D.
Okay.
Here we go. You know you got it favoring right.
Okay, I guess we'll favor right.
Okay, 188 to 205.
All right, first one we look at is 188. I see a sewer connection.
Oh, wow. Do we need to check the map?
Yeah, let me look.
I think a lot of the ones in D had sewer, didn't they?
Yeah, these look like they're gravel pads. Okay, so and it also looks like every site in here has a sewer connection. Awesome. 190. Like I said, these sites seem to have the packed gravel for pads with water, electricity, and sewer connections.
There's no sites over here, and this is what we're showing.
There we go. Sorry about that, folks.
Site 193.
Yep. So 194 is a level spot. It's also concrete. Oh, look, these are concrete spots.
Yeah, they are.
With
These are all sewer. Yeah.
195 has full hookups with a concrete pad. 197 is very short.
Maybe a van.
Yeah, maybe a van. Look, a pull through.
That's wheelchair accessible, both of them.
Is it? Yep, sure are. 199 is a handicap, full hookups, nice and level.
Maybe we should call these, I think it's called the ADA, the American Disabilities Act.
Okay. Site 201 is not very level front to back. It's concrete and it's short.
So that must be Turkey Pen.
Turkey
Bunk.
Pin Bunk.
Maybe that's group.
Guest only.
Camping.
Yeah, must be. All right. Oops.
We can look more
Freaking those
into
people
that.
out right over there.
No, they are freaking out. I would be freaking out. That's site 202.
202. Not very long again, but very level. Where this big old American flag is flaring.
Well, 200's empty. And then this is.
Where that Ford Super Duty is 198.
I like when people raise the flag.
Prowler. And the numbers coming the other direction. That site right there is pretty level and it's concreted. That was site 196.
And near the restroom. Oh, it's also ADA wheelchair accessible site.
Here's the bathhouse.
So we're still in Loop D.
Yep, we're coming out of the back part. Oh wow, that sun is.
You want to do
bright.
the inside loop or the?
I think we just stay on the outside loop.
Okay.
Okay, now we're back on the outside loop, and these are again gravel and short. Site that's 203 we just passed up. Another short, packed gravel, but it looks level. Site 204.
Oh, look at the pretty view you would have there.
Wow.
Isn't that
Yeah,
beautiful?
you do have a nice view.
It's just all woods.
Looks like you have a view of the gorge.
It does look like the gorge. Very pretty.
And I don't know what this is. And I'm not going to go in that little area right there.
Looks like someone's house.
Sure
Oh,
does.
private residence. How about that?
And you got some camping spots right there. They don't have any signs or anything. Oh, yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. I'm still not going back there.
Okay, let's go back.
So, anyway, that's Site D. So, if you want to see Site B, check out our other video in the Tennessee playlist.
Fall Creek Falls.
Yeah, Fall Creek Falls.
If you want to, we can go.